welcome back to Beck Outdoors. Today we are hunting in North Dakota.
Is this all?
Yeah. Alright, kill him.
Shoot me.
Kill him. Oh boy. That's a poke with the 20. We can get him. I can get him if you want to go for the two. Ready? Yep. Let's shoot him.
Damn!
Oh my god. Holy shit.
Come in. Kill him!
Two up front, two up front, two up front.
What a shot over here. Kill him there!
My fuck.
Alright guys, just editing the video. I want to tell you, so we finished up the first hunt. We ended up with like 15 birds. Definitely should have had a lot more. The shooting wasn't very good, but we ended up there with like 15 birds. So now we're on to day number 2. Now let's Zeke do the interview.
What am I saying? Good morning, folks. Welcome back to Beck Outdoors. Today we are in a wheat field in southern North Dakota. And yeah, last night there was like 300, 350 out here. They were pretty spread out from that tree line over to that hill, so we kind of just set up in the middle of them. And yeah, I don't know, it rained all day yesterday, so the birds sat in the field all day. So hopefully they're hungry enough to come back and feed. But yeah, we'll catch back up with you when the birds get here. You want to get them? You two? Or us three? Alright. There's more coming.
Yep. Band check those.
Can you see them more? Plus 3 shisha. Kill them there, boys. Are they?
Yeah. We might have to shoot them right out the back.
Alright.
Want it?
There you go. Go down, you bitch.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
God.
I dropped like 3 of those.
Who's laying down back there? They all gonna land on the face. I'll stay down.
Kill him. Kill him.
Oh shit! Down, 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 down. Kill him. That worked. All right. Kill him there, boys. Kill him there. Kill him there. Kill him there.
Did we mow?
Damn.
Oh, you got muzzle blasted this shit.
Spin. Call it right now.
Kill him!
That fucking worked!
Everybody shot one time.
Alright guys, just wrapped up day 2 hunt. As you can see, we're in a wheat field. Didn't do much for interviews or anything. The birds are being very picky. Sat in the field all day, so it didn't really help us, but hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. And Minnesota opener is actually this weekend, so hopefully we'll have a good hunt for you guys this weekend. But like I said, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one. Peace.